Sir, I have a question. Like on this number 430 million, this is like by far, like in all my 11 years of interview, this is like the largest customer base for someone whom I've interviewed. My question was, I grew up in Patna, and my loan, my MBA loan, my mother, she was a teacher, so she took loan from SBI. So the de facto was SBI, jana hai, and SBI will solve. SBI was more like a family. That's a huge trust which the brand has. I wanted to ask you, is that, SBI is so huge, but today, I don't transact at SBI. I work with four other banks. Does SBI have the hunger to go to the customers, or because you have 430 million, it's such a great place to be?
Every day we open anywhere between 80,000 to 100,000 accounts.
Wow.
So our customer base is growing. And what happened for people like you, who are relatively younger, right? You mentioned about that your parents would not think of any bank other than SBI.
Still, yeah.
But for you, there are quite a few choices. So how do I attract you towards SBI? And there the belief is, and that is where the agenda on transformation is around digitization. So I don't think you would be visiting your bank now.
No.
You don't visit.
Most of us now don't.
Don't visit. So
passbooks to dekha hi nahi hai.
Passbook dekha hi nahi hai. So that is the now difference.
Yeah.
So I have one class of customers who are, say, pensioners, right?
Yeah.
They love to come to bank.
Yes.
Right? And there are people like you who would not like to come to the bank.
Yeah.
And that is where the biggest digital initiative which bank started about 3 years ago and brought it to the customer 2 years ago. In fact, on November 24th, we launched our flagship program, which is YONO, which is in the background also you can see. So YONO, what is YONO? YONO is you only need one.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And when I say you only need one, this is not only for banking. It is for banking. It is for all your investment needs and online shopping. So if you are not using YONO, you must download it today.
Yes.
And avail of all the offers, which are especially for young people like you. That is the hook which we are providing. And just for your information, on many days, Amazon, they are our merchant partner in this initiative. During the festival days, we have directed more than 200,000 clicks every day.
Wow. That's a huge number.
That is a huge number. And the platform is being now developed in such a manner that not only for individual but for businesses, for farmers, everyone, they will be able to do everything on this platform.
Wow.
And now only yesterday the registration on a single day was 75,000 in a single day. The number of users on the platform is now 1 crore 43 lakh.
Wow.
And this is in less than 2 years.